going on, YouTube? I'm normally known as the Let's Get Messy guy, but today I'm going to be the Let's Get Gross guy. My buddy Chuck from the Bronx,
hey, what's up there?
has challenged myself, Freakeating, and Vaughn to a blender refrigerator item gross off. Rules are simple. We try to make a gross concoction out of items we can only find in our refrigerator. So let's get this gross blender party started. Just take a look what's inside my refrigerator here. Alright, I'm gonna just grab something from grab a couple grapes. Something off the second shelf here. Let's grab this bad boy. You know what? Let's make a lunch. Some bread back here. Can't make a sandwich without cheese and turkey. Turkey, cheese. And let's just throw egg in there for good old protein. Now that I got my ingredients, let's mix her on up. Alright, start off with some grapes. Making it nice, making it so nice. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, that looks like enough grapes. Now for some bread. Bread. My name is not Fred. Piece of cheese. Yeah. Cheese. Cheddar. Cheddar makes everything better. Some turkey. Delicious. Turkey protein. So good for you. Of course, we can't forget our egg. Last but not least, Gatorade. Need those electrolytes. Can't live without electrolytes. Yeah, oh, that's gonna look good. This is the disgusting, gross refrigerator blender challenge. Oh my god. I'm already getting nauseous just looking at it. I can see the egg bits still kind of in there. Alright. Let's get this party started here. Alright. Phase it out, Damon. Phase it out. In 3, 2, 1, go. but check out my buddy Chuck from the Bronx channel. It's listed in the description below. He does crazy shit like this all the time. I don't know how he does it. I usually like to stick to, you know what I like to stick to, fast food, and oh, that was disgusting. Check out Naader's video, posted in the description below. Check out Von's video, also posted in the description below. If you like this video, thumbs it up, post comments, make suggestions, love, hate, congratulate, do whatever tickles your fancy. Until next time, YouTube.